This is question 5 from exercise 15.10 in Project Math 2. We have to find the point of intersection of the pair of lines 3x minus y plus 8 equals 0 and x minus 7y minus 4 equals 0. In any given line, if you know a point on the line, you can take the x value from the point and the y value from the point, put them into the equation of the line, and you should get the same thing on the left side of the equals as you do on the right. Since we're looking for the intersection of these two lines, we're looking for a single point that is on both of the lines. So what we're actually doing here is a simultaneous equation problem. So if we call the top line equation 1 and the bottom line equation 2, we're going to go over trying to solve this simultaneous equation. In order to do that, our first step is we have to get the same number but different letters in front of either both of our x's or both of our y's. And the way we're going to do that is I'm going to try and match up the x's. So for equation 1, I'm not going to do anything different to it. I'm just going to leave that as 3x minus y plus 8 equals 0. But to equation 2, I'm going to multiply that by minus 3. So I'm going to get minus 3x plus 21y plus 12 is equal to 0. You make note that I multiply that minus 3 by everything in the line, not just the x value that I wanted to match up. Now that I have that done, I'm going to draw a line under this and add everything down. Add the x together, add the y's together, add the numbers together. So 3x minus 3x, that's 0x, or just 0. Minus y plus 21y is going to be 20y. And 8 plus 12 is plus 20, and that's equal to 0. Now we can solve this because we only have one variable in it, so we're going to go 20y is equal to minus 20, which means y is equal to minus 20 over 20, so y is equal to minus 1. So now we have our y value. And what we can do with that is we can put it back into either equation 1 or equation 2. It doesn't matter, we'll get the same value either way to get our value for x. So I'm going to put this back into equation 2. So I'm going to have x minus, and instead of 7y, it's now 7 times minus 1, because we have our value for y. So we get x minus 7 times 1 minus 4 equals 0. We multiply that out, we get x plus 7 minus 4 is equal to 0, which means x plus 3 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 3. And now we just have to put these two numbers together to form a point. Remember, it's x value first, then y value. So the point of intersection of those two lines is minus 3, minus 1. And that is that.